Welcome back to a very cloudy day in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Yeah, of course we are not here for the weather, but instead for the Lambos. Yeah, of course, let's give them a couple minutes to shut down the gates and we are ready to roll. Alright, first car of the day. Ah, not bad, it's a Urus Performante in purple. What do we have? STO in grey, silver wheels. Oh, check it out. Some usual duck spotting, but this time with the little ones. Wow, so beautiful. Another STO should be Verde Selvans. We have a very unfocused Urus. Oh, another Performante in black. Oh, right, now that's a spec for a Tecnica, nice. Wow, so beautiful. And talking about beautiful things, we have the purple Performante coming back, yeah. Oh yeah, finally a Revuelto. Oh, wait a damn second, there is another one behind. Okay, Urus S with the beautiful light blue spec. That's a noisy one. Okay, as I was saying, Urus S with the light blue spec. And black wheels, yeah. Okay, so there is something going on. We have a V10 behind the gates here. And check it out in the distance. Yeah, a red STO. What's going on? No, that's the wrong gate. Ah, come on. What did I tell you? Oh, it should be a tourist from the plate. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, there she is. Okay, the Verde Selvan STO. Okay, take a listen because I think I've heard something very interesting. Yes, it was very interesting indeed. Take a listen, I think there is another V10 incoming. Yeah. Mate, you are losing something here. Red Urus. Oh, there it is. The white Performante is black. Oh, another purple Urus Performante, but this time with the green calipers, yes. I have some kind of feeling they are gonna close the gates very soon. See, what did I tell you? Oh, this is a good one. Oh, wow, okay, nice spec on this Revuelto. Oh, I think we have a Sterrato. Oh, and there. Kinda. Okay. Very beautiful spec on this Urus S. Yes, that's a top spec for a Urus Performante. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Another Huracan STO. Oh, and yes, we have another one. Another very nice spec here, right? Oh wait, the black Revuelto is getting back. And it's not alone with the Urus Performante from before. Urus, once again. Oh, it's been a while for this one. The Iron Man spec STO. Oh my god, is that the famous Viola ST30 paint? The one for the 30th anniversary Diablo? I think it is. Wow. Let's see, I think we have another V10. That's correct. Glossy black Tecnica with the red calipers. Oh, it's the white Urus Performante from before. Yes, it's the Viola ST30 Tecnica. Alright, another Sterrato. Full matte black with the black calipers and black wheels. Hey, nice. Okay. Unexpected Urus with the roof box. Nice. Oh, and not only that. V10 incoming. Oh, hell yeah. 60th anniversary Evo Spider. That's an interesting sound. Oh yes, another Revuelto. There it is once again. And there it is, the Pulpor Performante with the green calipers. Yep. In case you're wondering, this is how the Revuelto sounds. Yeah, completely full total black spec for this Sterrato with the roof rails. Oh wait, this is a different one, and it has an interesting spec. Nice. Oh my god, what's going on today with the beautiful specs? That should be a very normal and usual Urus. Indeed it is a Urus S with the green calipers. Alright, 60th anniversary Huracan Evo Spider. Yeah, check it out.